Hello everyone, welcome to today's class on JavaScript. So today we'll continue our class. So the first thing we'll do is to bring our basic document shift 1, which is this. So let's bring a comment so that we can document the title of the things we are doing. So the title of what we are doing today is JavaScript can change HTML styles at the CSS. So let's bring our H2. So write what can JavaScript do. So having done that, we'll bring a paragraph and we'll give the paragraph an ID name. Let's call the ID demo. Then we want the paragraph to display something. We want to display JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element. So we have the H2, we have the paragraph. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to show how JavaScript can change HTML style. So we're bringing a button. So we'll say the type is button. So we'll say on click, so that when we click on the button, something will happen. So we said get document dot get element by ID. So when we click on the button, we're going to get those elements by ID, since we have given it an ID name. So what is the we have a paragraph and we gave it an ID name, which is demo. So when we click on this button, it's going to make reference to that paragraph with that ID name. So we said document.get element by ID, then bracket open, demo, bracket close, put the demo in single quotation. Then we have the style, then font size. So we want to give the font size. We want to change the font size in this particular aspect, so that when we click on that button, the font is going to increase to 35 pixels. So normally this is what we do in CSS. So then font size equal to single quotation 35 pixel, end of single quotation, then close the tag. Then in between the opening button and closing button, we put click me. So we want the button to display click me, so that's why we put click me there. So you must make sure that the codes are correct, if not it might not work. So let's go through everything again. So we're about to open it from where we saved it. I saved mine as JavaScript, so you can open it maybe with Chrome or your browser. So while waiting for it to open, let's go through the work again to see what we did. We brought a comment, which is JavaScript can change HTML style, and you know the comment will not display on our web page. Okay, then we brought H2. What can JavaScript do? So that's our comment again. So that's everything we did. We brought H2, we brought a paragraph, then we brought a button. So that when we click on it, so let's check if the browser is now open. Let's check. It's not yet open. So the on click means that once we click on the button, it's going to get the document. It's going to get the element by ID, since we gave the paragraph an ID name. So mean that when we click on it, it's going to change the font size to 35 pixels. So when we check the outcome, we can verify if it's true or not. So while we wait for the web page, can take our time to go through the work. And then if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Okay, so this is the web page. Okay, this is not, I think it's the second one. Yeah, this is it. So let me zoom in a little. Okay, so it says, what can JavaScript do? JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element. So you see, when we clicked on it, the font size increased to 35 pixels. So let me reload again. So this is the normal size, but when we click on it, the button, it's going to increase the size to 35 pixels. So that's what we can use. One of the things we can do with JavaScript, it can change HTML style. So this is it again. Our H2 is what can JavaScript do. Then our paragraph is JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element. So having done that, we'll go to another thing. What can JavaScript do again? Let's check something else that it can do. So let's bring a comment to document the title of what we are doing. So JavaScript can hide HTML elements. So we're bringing our H2. What can JavaScript do? That is our H2. So we're bringing a paragraph and we're giving it an ID name, which is demo. So I want the paragraph to display JavaScript can hide HTML elements. So we are bringing a button. The button type is button. So we'll say on click. So the on click So it will be document.getElement by ID. So the name of the ID is demo, so open bracket, put the demo in a single quotation, then close the bracket, then dot style. Since we are trying to style HTML elements, so we put dot style, then dot display. So we are trying to say JavaScript can hide HTML elements, so display, put equal to single quotation, put none, should display none when we click on that button. So you close your tag, then in between that you put click me, meaning that we want the button to display click me, and when we click on the button, it should get the element by ID name of demo. So that paragraph is going to not show. That's mean of display none. So let's check it out. So let's click on it. It's not working. That means something is wrong somewhere. So let's check it again. Let's check our code. So let's check what we did wrong. From H2 to paragraph to on click. Okay, I think so. It's supposed to be document. I think that place there is supposed to be document, DO, not DU. So that's a mistake. So you can see if there's a mistake, the web page will not display well. So let's reload. Let's see. So it's hiding the first one that we did. It's hiding the first one. When we click on this, working, but it's hiding the first one that we did. JavaScript can hide HTML elements. Well, that is supposed to hide, but it's hiding the first of what we did. So we have to delete that so that we can really confirm if what we did is correct. So let's delete this first one that we did. So delete it. Alright, so save and reload. Okay, so let's see. So as we click on it now, that paragraph has disappeared. It's no more displaying. So JavaScript can hide. When we click on the button, that paragraph disappeared. So that's what we actually wanted to do, to display on that paragraph. So we've done that now. So we'll talk more about, so let's copy this so that we'll just paste for the next thing we're doing. So copy, then paste it. So the previous one is JavaScript can hide HTML elements, but in this one, say JavaScript can show HTML elements. So it's just like the opposite of the previous one. So the H2 is what can JavaScript do. So the paragraph should be JavaScript can show hidden HTML elements. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe, give a comment, and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss out when I upload videos. So what I'm trying to do is that we're trying to bring another paragraph. So this paragraph is supposed to display JavaScript can show hidden HTML elements. So I'm trying to cut the one that is here. Trying to cut it. So we have two paragraphs. So I want to cut this one out. So paste it in this one. Okay, so in this second paragraph, this is the one that we want effect on. So that's opening your tag P, then ID name by giving it demo. So we'll say style. Style display none. Okay, so normally we have set it to display none. We're using normally it's supposed to display none. We're using JavaScript to make it display. So normally we have set it that display none. So for the paragraph we wrote hello JavaScript and we said display none. Then we're trying to use JavaScript to make a display. To make a display. So you can see when we have button, type button, then on click document.get elements by ID, and open bracket demo, then style the display. So we'll say the display should be block. So let's delete this first one we did. This is the previous one, let's delete it. So we won't have any issue at all. So save it. So you can let's just go through the work again. What can JavaScript do? This is the paragraph. This second paragraph that we want effect on. So let's save and reload. So as you can see, we wanted JavaScript to hello JavaScript to show, but in the first instance it did not show because we set it that it should not show. And when we click on this, it displayed hello JavaScript, meaning that JavaScript can actually help you to display an hidden HTML element. So if you check the work again, we really said display none, but we use JavaScript to display it. So that is all about this class. If you find this tutorial useful, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, comment on the types of video you want me to upload, and see you next time. Thank you very much.